everyone. You are watching the Puff Pastries and Herbs YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Dutch Apple Loaf. Yes, it's going to be so easy that kids can do it. So do me a favor. Make sure to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel. Stay to the end so you can watch our bloopers. No fancy equipment, no fancy ingredients. So, alright people, you ready?
Yep.
Alright.
Born ready.
Alright, let's get it.
I got that mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me.
Let's talk about the ingredients, okay? So Avery, we got half cup butter, salted, okay? It's already softened, okay? And then we have a 1 cup of sugar, and 2 large eggs from our farm,
Yep.
okay? And then the recipe calls for a 1/4 cup of buttermilk. I'm going to show you how to make buttermilk. Do you usually have buttermilk at your house?
No.
No, right? So, it's easy. So, I'm going to show you how to make it, okay?
Yep.
And then, we're going to need vanilla extract. Yeah. And then a little bit of salt.
Yep.
Okay? And then we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. And then 1 large Granny Smith apple. Yeah. And then we are going to need both baking soda and then baking powder. Baking powder. Okay? And then for the topping, we are going to need 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, and then cold cubed butter. It's cut, okay? I usually put them in the freezer. So you want to keep it cold. Okay? Alright, so, and then of course we are going to need this loaf pan.
I call it a mold.
9 by 5 loaf pan. Okay? So, let's get it started, yeah? Okay.
Let's get started.
Alright, so we are going to prep for Dutch Apple Loaf, okay?
Yep.
First thing we're going to do is we are going to preheat the oven for
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
perfect. We're going to start it and we're going to wait. We got about 10 minutes, okay?
Yep.
So, next thing we're going to do, we're going to peel.
Peel 1 large apple.
Correct. All right. Get to it, Avery.
Okay. This way?
No. Yep. Let me do the first one. The
Okay.
first one is always hard. Okay.
Right,
Let me
right.
do that. Oh, okay. Let me see.
This phosphorus is really yellow. How good is the cutting board?
Okay, next I'm going to dice them up, okay? Recipe call for 2 cups, okay? 2 cups, I just measured this morning. It's about 1 big apple. So, let me cut this, okay? 4, and then,
You don't want the core or the seeds.
yep,
That doesn't taste good.
take that out, okay? Then, I prepare salt water, just a little bit of salt. So once I cut it, I put it in there so you won't have a brown apple. Okay, now I'm going to put it in there. Okay. And we are going to drain it when it's right before we put it in the ingredients, okay? So what are we doing next?
Prepare buttermilk.
That's right. So the recipe called for a 1/4 cup of milk. 1/4 cup of milk, okay? So
That's
I
what
measured
we got
it.
right here.
I measured it right here. 1/4 cup of 1/4 cup equals 4 tablespoons. 4, okay? 4 of those. All right. And then you're going to need a vinegar or lemon juice, okay? And put it in there, and then stir it,
Stir.
okay? And then let it sit for 5 minutes minimum. That's how you make. That's how you make.
Buttermilk.
Yes. Now we are going to grease the loaf. I will do it around this rim too. make sure evenly coated
Even.
like this. We're gonna dump all of the ingredients. So we have a quarter cup of butter,
And it's
butter, frozen.
Frozen
Yep.
butter.
When you do the pastry, when you do the buff, when you wanna make a little puff, you wanna do it cold, okay? And then you don't wanna touch a lot, okay? If you melt the butter with your temperature, with your body temperature, it's just gonna get like that, okay? So we got quarter cup of sugar. Whoops, put
Good
it
thing
in
the
it.
butter didn't fall out before we
Get
came
loose.
to this part.
And then we got quarter cup of
Some
flour. And then cinnamon.
Cinnamon, I love cinnamon.
2 teaspoons.
Just teaspoon.
Okay? And then we're gonna cut it. You can cut it with a fork. Try not to use a hand. And what I do is I push it back like this. You just gotta be patient.
I use a
Don't mix it. Just break it down. You go like this. Okay? Come on over here.
like this,
Yep. Just beat it down.
like this,
And hold. Use your other hand and hold it.
like this.
Yep. Like you gotta do it. Push it in. Like push it. You're cutting. You're kind of cutting the butter. Next one, we are going to put this 1 stick of butter. Okay.
It's still soft.
Yeah, room temperature. Then we have how much? Were you paying attention? Yeah, 1 cup of sugar. Good job. Now we are going to put 1 egg at a time. Remember how you did it? Okay. So
I remember.
here we go. Mama, yep, that's it.
Wait, this much?
Yep. There you go. No, you can put the whole thing in there. I'm not separating it this time.
Oops. Got you.
Yep, that's fine. Right here, right here. And then one more.
And then we wash our hands.
Yeah. Yep. The whole thing.
Slippery.
Good job. So this time, ain't nobody got time for that. So
Yep.
we are going to put 1 egg, 1 at a time. Okay?
One.
1 at a time, and then start combining it. Okay? Yeah, already?
Yeah.
And
that's
there's
good.
another one. Okay.
That was my big.
Alright. Thank you very much, hand
Yeah.
mixer. You're done. Vanilla
Vanilla
extract.
extract.
Ooh, okay, so here's 1 teaspoon.
Uh-huh.
Okay? So we're gonna measure it because I don't want to put way too much or way too less. Perfect. 1. Okay. Now this one is buttermilk, okay? Quarter
Buttermilk.
cup. In. Boom. Okay, now we are going to combine this. We're gonna mix
That means
this.
we don't have the hand mixer anymore.
Yeah, and then it's gonna look like it's kind of like a separating. See that? But it's okay. All right. We're gonna be puff.
Like puff pastries and herbs.
Yes, that's it. 2 cups of flour. Here. See, I cut it in half, so you just like slide it to have an exact amount. 1, right? And then half teaspoon. Your turn.
Teaspoon.
Half teaspoon. This is half teaspoon. Yeah, scoop it. And then cut it. And then in. There we go. Quarter teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking soda. Baking soda. Baking soda.
Okay, same kind of thing. Cut the edge.
Edge.
Use the edge and cut it to measure it perfect, right?
Uh-huh.
Then in, right? Now you're gonna lift it up and then sift it like that. Go ahead, Avery. Yep. Don't go too high. Gonna go everywhere. Okay. Okay. Salt is half teaspoon. I already measured that one. Okay. Then go like this. Yeah, there you go.
It looks
Go,
like
go,
a
go, go,
desert.
go. Yeah. Now we are going to put dry ingredients into the wet
ingredients.
Yes, and you can use the same one because that's what we were using. Now this one you're gonna fold it. Remember when we were doing the ice cream, you fold it, cut it, fold it, right? Scrape, cut it, fold it, right? Same
Kind of
thing.
like the Ghostbusters side.
You're gonna do little by little. About this much.
By little.
Yep. Okay, try it. You always use both hands. Hold the other. Yep, hold that. There you go. There you go. All right, so now we are going to add 2 cups of cubed apples into this batter, okay? So same thing, we're gonna fold it in, okay? And what you don't want is use the hand mixer like that. You don't want to do that. And then you're gonna put these toppings on top of it. And then we are going to bake this for 55 minutes. Alright, that's enough fun for the day, huh? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to mash that like button and subscribe to our channel. Be sure to tell your friends so we can spread the joy of cooking from scratch for the next generation. Please check out our website for the recipe, poofdirtfarming.com. You can download this recipe, okay? So stay safe, be blessed, peace!
When you look in the mirror, you gotta have a conversation with the person you see, y'all, and be real. Let's go! That mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, I'm the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let the change start with me. The mirror motivation, the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let that change start with me. The mirror motivation, the change I wanna see. It's gotta start somewhere, so let